everyone, welcome to Fame World Educational Hub. Myself, Aishwarya Saxena, and in this Python file handling series, in the previous program we have seen this much. I hope you have watched that first lecture on the file handling, and this is the second one. So we have seen that how we can open or we can just use an existing text file and we can work on it. So this is the file which we are using right now. You can see the content which is here. So this text file is here and this is the content of this file. Now I am going to create a new program for this particular video, and stay tuned till the end because there are very important concepts which we are discussing here, which we are going to discuss here. So first of all, f equals to open, and here I am taking abc.txt, and in the default mode which we are mentioning here, RT. So here I have taken RT, that is read in text. Now suppose I have taken content equals to f.read, and after that I am now in the previous program we have seen that we can use the read method and then we can just store it here and we can print it this way. But what if I want to print line by line or something? So let's say we can use a loop here. I am taking line in content, so this way, and let's print line, and let's run this program. Okay, so what is happening? You can see everything is coming character by character, because what we are doing when we are fetching this file, you can see everything is coming in separate lines, character by character. Okay, and this is because we are using this loop here. Now we can directly do one more thing. We can just comment it to move this thing in a proper way, to remove this thing. So like I am just using this file here, and that time it was coming character by character when we are reading it first and then we are printing it. But if we are not reading it and we are just opening it and going for the for loop, so here you can see now everything is coming. But then also you can see an extra line is coming after each and every line. An extra line is coming after each and every line, because in our actual file this particular space is not there. You can see every line is like one after the other without any extra spaces. But in the output you can see that there spaces are coming after each and every line. So now what could be done in that case? This program, when we were using this content variable, we were reading it, we were reading the file and then we were printing it. So everything was coming character by character. Then when we just skipped this reading statement, we just use the file directly in our loop, so everything is coming properly. But yes, some extra lines are coming after every line. One extra line is coming. So to remove this, we can just use end equals to this, end equals to quotes. So now the extra line will be removed, because every line in our file is also having one new line character. In our file also there is one new line character after every line here. So new line character means there is one enter, and in our print statement also there is by default one enter. That's why it was counting it twice. So here you can see now our file is coming properly, and this time we have not used the read method. Like in the previous program we were using the read method to read this, but here I have not used the read method. We can use we can read our file directly by using our loop. So simply we can do that. So I hope this much is clear to all of you, and if you are having any query you can drop it into the comment section. In the next video we will be seeing some more methods in the file handling. So stay tuned.